Welcome to Living the Dream, where we bring you the most exciting destinations in the world. Let's start with a dream vacation to Europe, a continent steeped in history, culture, and breathtaking beauty. Join us on a journey through some of the most desirable destinations for Americans, where every moment is filled with wonder and adventure. Our first stop is the City of Light, Paris. From the majestic Eiffel Tower to the charming streets of Montmartre, Paris captivates visitors with its timeless elegance and romantic ambience. Next, we venture to Venice, a city unlike any other. Lose yourself in a labyrinth of narrow streets and picturesque bridges, and experience the magic of a gondola ride along the historic canals. Our journey continues to Santorini, a paradise nestled in the Aegean Sea. With its whitewashed buildings, crystal clear waters, and breathtaking sunsets, Santorini offers a truly unforgettable escape. For those seeking adventure, look no further than the Swiss Alps. Whether you're skiing down pristine slopes or hiking through alpine meadows, the natural beauty of the Swiss countryside will leave you in awe. And finally, we arrive in Barcelona, a vibrant city pulsating with energy and creativity. From the architectural wonders of Antoni Gaudi to the bustling markets of La Boqueria, Barcelona is a feast for the senses. So pack your bags and embark on the adventure of a lifetime. Whether you're exploring the historic streets of Paris, savoring gelato in Venice, or lounging on the beaches of Santorini, Europe promises an experience like no other. Your amazing journey awaits.